Daily English conversations about life and work. Newlyweds. Good morning, Will, and congratulations. I haven't seen you since you got married. How's it going? Thanks for asking, Kim. Nothing much happened, though. Come on, man. You must have been very busy, right? Exactly. And actually, I've been busier and busier with the cooking. Wow, you're such a nice husband. No way, Kim. I cook because of my wife, Jessie. She can't cook. Maybe Jessie doesn't cook so well, but all of us can see that she's a wonderful woman. I mean, she literally cannot cook. She doesn't know how to turn on the cooker or make toast without burning it. Whenever she tries to do something, they're all inedible. But you love Jessie, right? Maybe you can teach her to cook. Take it slow, man. Why do I need to teach her? That's a woman's job. Newlyweds, Part 2. Jessie, I'm here. Oh, my sweetie, what have you been up to lately with your new family? Gosh, I'm kinda regretful now. What's the matter, bae? My husband, Will, he's a real klutz. What do you mean by klutz? Well, currently we are living in an old house with a lot of things needed fixed immediately. I see. Everything's just started, so it's not easy to buy a new house, right? Actually, I can accept that, and I thought that was all. But no, Will doesn't even know how to fix a thing. I have to check and change all the light bulbs by myself. Ugh. Maybe not every man is good at fixing stuff. Well, when I was a kid, all the broken things in my house were fixed by my dad and my brothers. And they even showed me how to fix things myself. I think you can talk about this problem to your husband, or maybe teach him a few things that you know. Why do I need to teach him? That's a man's job. Quite late. Where's your fiancé, Tim? We've been waiting for half an hour. Never, ever have I been waiting for such a long time like this. Don't be angry, Dad. She's, well, quite late. What did you say, son? You mean all the time? Well, yes. I'm sorry, but it's true. Unbelievable. And she's going to be your wife soon, Tim. You cannot get married to such a disrespectful person like that. No, Dad, she's not disrespectful. She's gorgeous and kind. Sometimes she's a bit disorganized. But it's no big deal, Dad. Tim, I remember the last time you told me about your appointment with the hotel. You guys were going to celebrate the wedding. And your fiancé was late for an hour. I thought she was busy, but it seems like she's been disorganized all the time. Can you handle it for the rest of your life? Well, Dad, I also told her about this problem, but she went mad and told me to relax. Gosh, how dare you say it's no big deal, Tim? I can see that it's the biggest problem ever in your life. And I can assume that she's not only disrespectful, but also selfish. Marry her and you're gonna have a lot of trouble, son. The computer nut. What are you doing, sweetie? I'm answering emails. Even on Sunday, Bay? Yes, I have to do it every day. And after that? After that, I will have to set a schedule for next week. That's all? Maybe there are more things to do. I have to make a list now. For real, Josh? That's all the things you can remember today? I'm kind of busy, Linda. Is there anything that I miss? It's my birthday today, and you never call me by my real name. You used to call me your cutie pie. Oh, it doesn't matter, Bay. Let me order flowers on Amazon for your birthday, okay? But can you get off my keyboard first? I don't need flowers, Josh. I've never seen you like this before. Last year you surprised me with a new dress, and we traveled together all over the world. I miss those times, Bay. Come on, Linda. I have a new job with my computer now. If you want to travel, the computer will help you go everywhere from Europe to Asia. Just a few clicks. No, Josh, that's not what I mean. Computers are not a real thing, and it affects your health badly, Bay. I'm happy when I spend all day with it, Linda. But I love you too. Don't overthink, okay, Bay? Josh, you really need to get off your computer and go outside with me. Your health is more important, sweetie. My health? Yeah, you're right. I will email my doctor to have a checkup next week, Bay. Don't worry. Now, can you get off my keyboard? Never mind. Staying together. How are things, Sally? Nothing much. You look quite upset? Let me guess. Something has happened with Tom and you, right? How could you know? Come on, this is not the first time, Sally. Tell me, what's wrong? Well, last night I thought that Tom would be home at 7 as usual, but he went home at midnight and smelled like liquor. I can understand that. He should have at least called you. Yes, you're right. And you know what? I had to wait until 1 a.m. to open the door and change clothes for him. I asked him about what happened, but all he could do was to yell at me and tell me to stop being bossy. Gosh, what's wrong with that man? I tried to help him, but he suddenly grabbed my arm and pushed me against the wall. Holy crap! Did he hit you? Yes, he did. How could a man do that to his girlfriend? I know. It was unbelievable, and I was freaking shocked. Your situation is obviously a red flag, Sally. I also thought like you, but... But what? But the next day, he came home with flowers. He hugged me so tight and apologized for everything that had happened. He said that he had been under stress lately. I don't know, Sally, but I don't think sorry can solve every problem that he's brought to you. I know. I'm really confused now. Beautiful men. Hey, Jack, do you remember Robin in the conference we met today? The guy who wore makeup. Exactly. I really like his style. It looked beautiful and made me want to be friends with him. I think his face looked a bit unnatural, you know? Why do you think so? Well, because he's a man. A man shouldn't wear makeup and look beautiful, right? Like all men are supposed to be rugged good looks. Come on, Jack. Since when a man isn't allowed to look beautiful? Who came up with these stereotypes? Without makeup. Hey Lucy, do you remember Rin at the conference we met today? She was super nice, and it made me want to be friends with her. The girl without any makeup? Well, yes, but didn't you think she looked so attractive anyway? I found that kind of weird, you know? Why do you think so? All the women at the conference wore makeup, except her. I think it's fine. There's no rule that you have to wear makeup at the conference. And Rin was still astounding even without makeup, you know? Well, I agree that she looked attractive, but she could have been even more beautiful if she had worn makeup. Maybe that's not her style of wearing makeup. We shouldn't force her. Well, but makeup is what women do. Come on, Lucy. Since when does a woman must wear makeup to look attractive? Who came up with these stereotypes? Embarrassing mother. Is that your mom, Margot? She looks so attractive. Oh, gosh, I told her not to pick me up at school, but still she comes here. Really? Come on, why? Your mom is so outstanding, young, and hip. No way. She's just trying to make me embarrassed. Why? I don't see anything embarrassing. You have an amazing mom, you know. You don't understand. She does drive me crazy when she borrows all of my crop tops and skirts. And she wears my clothes in public places. Wow, really? Yes, she even celebrated her 40th birthday party and acted like an 18-year-old girl last week. I think it's quite all right, Margot. Maybe she's trying to understand you better. By talking to my friends and wearing the same style as me? Yes, it can be a way, you know. And I think it's much better than always asking, where are you going? Who do you go with? When will you come home? Like the other moms. Maybe you're right. But sometimes I just can't help it. I mean, I can't understand my family. What's the matter? There was once when my mom wore my red dress. Well, that dress is quite sexy, and I only wear it for parties. Do you know what my dad said to my mom? He said that if being sexy was a crime, you'd be guilty as charged. Ew. Ew, it's so cheesy. I know, right? Pierced. So, how's your love story? I bet that you are having a great time with Sarah, right? Well, yes and no. What do you mean by no, man? Well, Sarah's a wonderful woman. She knows how to cook, how to make me smile and stuff. So, what's wrong? The thing is about her piercings. What's the matter with that? So she pierced almost every part of her body, and I cannot stand that. Bro, really? Yes, at first I thought she only had a nose piercing, but there's also one in her belly. Man, I think that's no big deal. It's just her style. Well, I'm not finished yet. It's getting worse when I kiss her, you know? Wait, let me guess. So she also has a tongue piercing? Exactly. And whenever we kiss, it just feels so disgusting to me. Come on, bruh. I think that experience was quite cool. We don't feel the same way, man. And now Sarah wants me to get pierced too. Maybe it's just her way to express her love to you. And you cannot just let those piercings get between you and your love. I don't know whether I love her anymore. I feel like a fish out of water, you know? Bro, trust me. You cannot find another wonderful person like Sarah again. What am I gonna do now? Do you really want to be with her till the rest of your life? Yes, I really want it. I don't want to lose her. Then you will have to get a piercing, man.